What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First off, I want to thank Beauty and Bee for sponsoring this video and sending me 3 sets of the cutest press-ons ever. Their site is full of vibrant colors. The nails are sturdy. They even give you a step-by-step on how to apply the nails in case you've never worn press-ons or you're a little nervous. Their packaging. I have not seen any packaging that comes in a cute box and with a velvet holder for the nails. Packaging is everything. To me, packaging will sell your product. Their nails are extremely cute. Their names for the nails are unique. Birthday cake is a favorite of mine. They also have one called milkshake. And of course, because we love the disco. Definitely, you guys, go and check out their website. Sign up so that you can get you some discounts. Also, they have different styles. You have coffin, stiletto, and they also offer round. There will be a coupon code in the description box down below so that you can shop and save some money for our budget. And again, thank you, Beauty and Bee, for sponsoring this video. So let's get to it. So the first set I tried on was in my favorite style, coffin. It comes with a nail kit. You get a alcohol prep, the sticky tabs, glue, a nail file, and a cuticle remover. I put these on with the glue tabs, which honestly I never really used, but I wanted to change these nails out for the video so that you could see all 3 sets of nails, okay? You will see me doing an application, and I edited so you won't see me do the whole application. Also, I slammed my finger. Look, I hurt myself. I slammed my finger in the door, so it was a little painful. Putting on the nails right there. It was tender, but nothing really bad. So you put your tips on, your glue tabs on first. That's my advice, okay? Everyone does it differently. Then you peel off the thin film, okay? And it will leave the glue on the nail. It's a learning curve, okay? So if you do it and you kind of pull up the glue, don't worry. Just get another glue sticky tab, okay? Size your nails up for the fingers in the right position first so that you can just grab them according to your nails. Put them on and then press them down and then hold on to it. As you see, I kind of went off camera because I lost my my steady hand moves. But you put it on and you press it and you hold it. Now, I don't usually wear the sticky tab, so I honestly can't speak to the longevity of the nail, but several of my friends say they're good for a date night, 1 to 2 days, okay? I glue mine without exception, and I get always 14 days wear out of my nails. That's washing dishes, that's cooking, that's bathing, washing my hands, that's typing. And again, it's a learning curve. And notice how cute these chocolate nails are. I'm totally here for them. Yep, a favorite. Look at the packaging. I told you the packaging is cute. The box was everything. Yep. These are a favorite. They're here to stay. Absolutely. Next, we have these olive coffin ones. Let me tell you, I have not used an olive color before, so I was quite excited to get that color. Again, I did the sticky tabs and put them on for the sake of the video because I wanted to be sure to show you guys how they look on my finger. And as you see, it's a little sped up here. You see me moving fast. Because I'm talkative. I can drag a video out. Notice this set. And y'all know I'm team long nails. So I was loving these nails. Yes, they are for me. Also, I lost 2 of these nails in this set. So 2 of the nails are not the right size. And yeah, but I made it work. And we still gonna rock them, okay? That color is so pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I hope you guys like it too. Remember, it'll be a coupon code down below so you can come and shop with them. Next was my favorite ones that I had been looking. When I looked on our site, I immediately was like, I want those. I've been into pink and pastels. It kind of gives me the look of porcelain. I hope I'm conveying that. They are truly pretty. And as you see, I dabbed glue on because I had plans to wear these for the rest of the month. At least for sure the next 2 weeks. When you glue your nails on again, you hold it down and you press it, okay? Also, a pro tip, do not wet your hands for about an hour when you get to putting on your nails. That helps the glue to set, okay? So give yourself an hour before you put your nails on, nails in water rather, okay? Yes, I was loving this pink set, okay? And there you have it. Super cute. Yeah, and the packaging is life. You hear me? That little box and the satin cover. Yeah, definitely here for it. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and you will go and order with them, get you a set. If you're on Instagram, tell them you heard about them from Kiva. It's Sew by Kiva. And let me know, come back in the comments and let me know what you think about these nails. Also, they're sturdy, okay? They are not flimsy at all. They are sturdy. They're not too heavy. Again, I am very pleased with these nails. Thank you again for sponsoring this video, Beauty and Bee.